Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your QR code in WhatsApp for linking another device or sharing with someone. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, simply you have to download the WhatsApp from the Play Store. You can easily download it, and after that you have to install that. So as you can see, I have already installed it. So simply I'm going to click on the WhatsApp business. So after clicking on the WhatsApp business, simply as you can see here the WhatsApp is open. Now what we need to do, we have to click on these three dots, and after clicking on these three dots, as you can see, here's an option for the linked devices. We have to click on this, and now we have to, if you want to link a new device, then simply you have to click on the link device, and then you have to select the. So as you can see, now what we need to do, we have to click on three dots, and after clicking on three dots, as you can see, here's an option for the setting. So let's click on the setting. You can see in the profile section, you will see the right side and QR code option. Now if you want to share the QR code, simply you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option my code. So if you want to share this, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the share code, and after clicking on the share code, you can share with anyone. If you want to copy the link, or if you want to share it on the Facebook, WhatsApp, or wherever you want, you can do that. So in this way you can share your QR code and link any kind of device. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can link a device or share your QR code. So see you guys in the next video.